सफीर पाकिस्तान।
सफीर पाकिस्तान, आपके जज्बों का तर्जुमान, वतन और वतन से दूर पाकिस्तानियों के दरमियान राब्तों का एक नाम। सफीर पाकिस्तान, आपकी आवाज़ और आपकी पहचान।
बैरून ममालिक में बसने और रहने वाले पाकिस्तानियों की कामयाबी और कारनामों पर मबनी प्रोग्राम सफीर पाकिस्तान, आपकी आवाज़ और आपकी पहचान।
Join the Council of the Pakistani American Chamber of Commerce or open a chapter in your city or state. Contact us for more information. Be a part of the business world and get success.
पहली नजर में कैसा जादू कर दिया, तेरा बन बैठा है मेरा जिया। जाने क्या होगा क्या
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, आपका मेज़बान वक़ार अली ख़ान प्रोग्राम सफ़ीर पाकिस्तान के साथ हाज़िर खिदमत है। कहिए कैसे मिजाज हैं? सफ़ीर पाकिस्तान, आपकी आवाज़ और आपकी पहचान, राब्तों का एक नाम, सफ़ीर पाकिस्तान। नाज़रीन, आप बहुत कुछ प्रोग्राम में देख रहे हैं और कुछ हमने ग्रास रूट से भी शुरू चीज़ें की भी हैं, जो कि स्मॉल बिजनेसेस हैं, उनको भी हम फोकस करें ताकि उनकी भी हौसला अफजाई हो, ताकि वो स्मॉल बिजनेस से बड़े बिजनेस में जा पहुँचें। नाज़रीन, आज के प्रोग्राम में हमने बहुत कुछ शामिल किया है। एक रिपोर्ट फ्राम कनाडा मिसिसागा से और एक रिपोर्ट लॉस एंजलिस से, और ये रिपोर्ट है एक अदारे के बारे में। एक अदारा जो लाहौर में पाकिस्तान के वजूद आने से पहले वहाँ पे मौजूद था। ये एक एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूशन है और आप सब लोग जानते हैं, इसका नाम है FC कॉलेज। FC कॉलेज के जनाब गिल साहब यहाँ पे आए हुए थे, जो कि डायरेक्टर हैं एडवांसमेंट के, और उनसे हमारी मुलाकात हुई। और यहाँ पे कुछ ग्रेजुएट भी हैं FC कॉलेज के, उनसे भी मुलाकात हुई और उन्होंने FC कॉलेज की अलमनाई का आगाज़ कर दिया है, जिसके रूए रवान डेफिनेटली इत्तेज़ाज़ुद्दीन है, जिनको हम प्यार से बॉब दीन भी कहते हैं। एक बहुत ही बड़े एंटरप्रेन्योर हैं, एक बहुत ही सक्सेसफुल बिजनेसमैन हैं और कम्युनिटी लीडर भी हैं, और इन्होंने कम्युनिटी के बहुत से प्रोजेक्ट में अहम और कलीदी किरदार अदा किया है। और अब ये चाहते हैं कि FC कॉलेज की अलमनाई पूरे अमेरिका में इस्टेब्लिश हो जाए, ताकि वहाँ के कॉलेज में स्कॉलरशिप और दूसरी चीज़ें जो हैं वे ऑफ़र कर सकें और कॉलेज को और एडवांस कर सकें। नाज़रीन, आइए बिला किसी ताख़ीर के आपको लिए चलते हैं इस रिपोर्ट में। मुलाज़ा फरमाइए।
So what your purpose, what's your goal, what actually you're looking for from the former graduates of the FC College, Lahore?
Thank you, Waqar Saab. Well, first of all, I want to bring greetings to all the people here in LA area, particularly the Farmanites and the Pakistani community. Greetings from FC College, Lahore. And sitting right next to me is one of the old students. He is a bit younger to me. He was there in the 70s. So my purpose of coming here is really to bring together the Farmanites in LA area so that we can work together for the community, for Pakistan, for college. So that as you know that FC College is main charter mission is to provide quality education and bring people, produce graduates who are critical thinkers, who are independent thinkers, who are problem solvers. And people who can live in harmony with the people who do not agree with them. So my idea, my purpose is to, again, to summarize, is to bring the Forum Nights together here in LA area.
Okay, so what are you be going to achieve actually? Do you have any agenda?
My agenda
You need
is
a reconstruction of the college, you need the lab, you need the computer labs, upgrading the sports field, building the auditoriums. What's your plan actually?
yeah, all those things that you mentioned are the ones which are in our plans. And I must also add that since denationalization in 2003, much has been accomplished already. This college had deteriorated so to such an extent that the quality education was not even possible there. Only with the new management and with the charter now of a university, we have been able to change the paradigm of education in Pakistan, in FC College. Number one, we have an Western style education where people are encouraged to think independently, think critically, and learn how to solve problems, which is not the system that where you and I, when we were students, got that. And so we need, so a good step has been made. We have co-education at baccalaureate level. It's English medium is the medium of instruction.
It's all the way English medium from grade?
Yeah, intermediate level as well as baccalaureate level, yes. So we need all those things. As I said, that we have made a very good beginning, but much more needs to be done, and that's where the alumni come in, because all the great universities in the world, their backbone is really the alumni of their universities, and we want alumni of FC College, where they are in LA or anywhere in the world, to come together and make that bond stronger, and so that we can together bring high quality education in Pakistan.
Do you have alumni back home?
Yes, we have a very strong, very vibrant alumni organization. The president of alumni organization is Chaudhry Ahmad Saeed, who was my contemporary when we went together at the same time. We were students there, and with him, with his help, and with many other alumni in Lahore, in Pakistan, we have been able to accomplish a lot. Let me also add that about 25% of the scholarship money comes from the alumni organization.
Pakistan-based alumni.
Pakistani-based alumni, yes.
Mm-hmm.
And we have about 1,700 students who are getting scholarships. About 1/3 of the population is getting scholarships.
So do you have any really message in America, in North America, Canada? Those are graduates and migrated from Pakistan and established their businesses, life in American Canada. So what message actually you want to give? Are you inviting them to become a part of the alumni or support you? What exactly you're looking for?
I would, first of all, I would tell them that if they came and saw FC College, say in the 80s and 90s, I know that they would have been very sad to see their alma mater go into ruins. I know that because I used to go there and used to see, and it used to make me very upset. I challenge each one of the alumni to come back and see now what has happened since denationalization. This college is again revived the old traditions of by love, serve one another. You have again the whole discipline has come back. The college is thriving. The grounds, as I said, that are again green. The buildings are clean. The professors are very well dressed up and in time in the class, which was not the case, I'm sorry to say, between 80s and 90s. And there is it looks like almost an American style university. I mean, yeah.
Mr. Gill, you know that.
And I would like to ask Bob. Bob was there about 3 months ago.
I'll come to Bob. I have a question very important. See, when you talk about setting up the alumni in USA and North America, there's some principles, there's some rules and regulations that you have to have a proper corporation, which is 501c3, and then you have a board and you have the members.